Hello everybody. Let's have a look at this problem. Another problem which is giving us two relations. One relation is given to us. It is 2x is equal to 5y minus 17. So what I will do, I will move 2x on the right side, 17 on the other side. So 5y minus 2x is equal to 17 positive. Let's say this is my equation number one. The other part is also given to us. What's that? That's a 2 raised to power 3x is equal to 16 power y plus 1. I can change that to 2 power 4 raised to power y plus 1. And you can say it's a 2 raised to power 4 into y plus 1. Or this is 2 power 4y plus 4. And that's possible if and only a necessarily sufficient condition if 3x is equal to 4y plus 4, 4y plus 4. So then I can move 4y on that side. So I can say that like negative 4y plus 3x is equal to positive 4. This is my equation number 2. So I have two linears. Now I can use elimination, I can use substitution to eliminate one variable to solve for x and y. So what I'm going to do, I'll multiply equation number 1 by 3 and I will add equation number 2 after multiplying by 2 to eliminate variable x. So let's do it. So 1 by 3, it's a 15y minus 6x is equal to 51, 17 times 3, 51. Number 2 multiplied by 2, it's negative 8y plus 6x is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. Now you can check. So 6x positive, 6x negative, they will cancel each other if you're going to add them. And if you will add 15y and plus 8y minus 8y, so that's going to be end up with 7y and other side is 59. So my one variable is y is equal to 59 over 7. 59 over 7. This is my one variable. So let's go and substitute this in, let's say, number 2. So substitute in number 2. What's number 2? When number 2 is here, so negative 4y plus 3x equal 4. So negative 4y in number 2. So negative 4 into 59 over 7 plus 3x is equal to 4, or my 3x is equal to 4 plus 4 times 59, that's a 236 divided by 7. If you are substituting, then multiply 4 and 56. So 50 times 4 is 200, 9 times 3, 36. So this is something like this. And next part is LCM is again 7. So this is going to be 28 plus 36, 236, not 36, so it's a 236. So my 3x is going to be equals to, if you will add them together, you will get 264 divided by 7. And therefore x is 264 divided by 7 times 3. And you can cancel 3 and there is a common factor 3 in the upper parts 88. So therefore my x value is 88 over 7. So therefore my solution is xy, you can say, is equal to 88 over 7. I can write in this form, and 59 over 7. So this is the solution for this question. You can substitute back in the original one to check if it is working. So it would work. And sometimes the numbers are too big, exponential function not giving you the answers, but you can substitute in the equation. So then it need to make sense. Left side, right side equal. I hope you like the solution. Good luck, enjoy your math, and keep working hard. Definitely you will improve your math in future. Thank you very much.